Hi, welcome to Bell Domicile's Junior Chefs. Today we're going to be making oatmeal raisin energy bites. Pour 1 cup of oats into a bowl. Then put 1/3 cups of peanut butter. Next, we'll put 1/4 cup of raisins and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Then put 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon into the bowl. And then stir. You will take little bits at a time and will form a ball. Today we made oatmeal raisin energy bites. They taste really good. Hope you enjoy.